Hi YouTube, part 2 of my model narrowboat build. As you can see, it looks a bit tatty at the moment, but that'll all clean up later. But as you can see, I've built the prop and the rudder, and the prop's made from a piece of 10mm rod with some brass sheet slotted in. I know for the time I spent and the money, I could have bought one, but it's nice to say you made it yourself. And the rudder's a piece of brass sheet, which goes up through two bearings. I'll show you that in a moment. You see there's a gap between the two bearings. That's so that I can get an arm in for the servo to operate. And the top of the top bearing should be level with the deck, and I've got to make the deck removable so I can get at all that lot. Don't know how I'll do that yet, but perhaps that's the next step. Motor, as you can see, that's a motor I happen to have. Prop tube's loose at the minute, but the motor I happen to have, and it's got a solid coupler straight through to the prop shaft, which is a 4mm piece of stainless steel. It'll all be tidied up, cleaned up, painted. It'll look much better than it is now. I've made the motor adjustable in its mounts for slight misalignment. So there you see that bit again. The bushes top and bottom on the rudder are just so that I can remove the shaft and eventually take the prop shaft out if I want to. The skeg, which has just dropped off, isn't secured in yet. There it is, a little bearing in the bottom. And that's about it for now. As I say, next stage is probably doing the rear decking. That'll be part 3. So thanks for watching. See you soon.